I posted YouTube Shorts for 30 days and you won't believe what happened. So make sure you subscribe or lose the information in this video. Even though I made this channel in 2020 during the pandemic, I really started it and it was something I always wanted to do. So recently I've jumped on YouTube and I thought what I would do, as I had some great ideas for long form content, I would just see what happened if I decided to post 30 days worth of shorts, because as you know, short form video content is really popular right now, especially on platforms such as TikTok. And to my surprise, I've already achieved over 100 followers in 30 days. In fact, I'm going to be honest, I even got like say 30, 40 followers just from one post, like one short. And all I did as well is I just repurposed my content from TikTok and Instagram Reels. This by simply using a watermark remover, either within the app or using something like Snaptic for TikTok or iGram for Instagram Reels. Top tip, just make sure you do this without any audio, because that means you can reuse it and you can add other sounds on other platforms. And this will stop you getting any like copyright or music violations. If you've already re-downloaded it with the audio, then don't panic, because all you have to do is just try and find that audio or that sound on the platform you're on, as in Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, right? And then just turn the volume all the way down to 1 so you can still hear what you're saying if you're talking. This shows how powerful shorts can be used part as a content or growth strategy. That's because short form content gets loads of reach. And if you think about it, I got 100 followers so soon by doing YouTube Shorts. Just imagine how many followers or subscribers I'm going to get within a year if I keep posting shorts. I'm easily going to get the 1,000 subscribers you need to monetize, or at least put a good dent in achieving that anyway. And what I've also noticed as well is I have reposted successful shorts and they still have had really good, decent views and engagement. And if you're worried about your subscribers seeing these videos, then don't panic, because there's a very good chance they've not even seen these videos unless they've actually had to look on your shorts section on YouTube. So there's probably a good chance they haven't even seen your video. And even if they have, people tend to absorb information better on the second or third time. So just repost those popular videos. And I recommend doing this, say, every 3 weeks or 3 months. So don't be afraid of reposting those videos. I will say though, don't just focus on shorts creating your channel. In order to get monetized on YouTube, you got to have a certain amount of watch time hours, right? A really good strategy to do is make sure you use shorts, but also do long form content as well, your normal YouTube videos. Good achievable strategy is to try and post at least 1 long form YouTube content per week, which is at least 5 minutes, okay? And then blend this in with short form content throughout the week. By doing this, you are getting new eyes and visitors onto your account and your profile on a regular basis. Also, it's going to encourage people to take a look at your other content, and there'll be a really good chance that they'll start watching your long form content, and hopefully in theory they'll enjoy it and then start binging on your other long videos, which is going to help you get those hours you need for monetization. You also want to condition your audience to get used to you doing long form content as well. And you want a majority or a good majority of your followers to, be able to watch longer videos, because then there's more chance of them going to watch these videos you're creating. If you're just focusing on shorts too much, those people haven't got the attention spans, so they're not going to want to watch your long videos. So it's important, I think, to blend in both. I also think it is a really good idea, especially if a new account, and I've noticed this as well, or if you've got a low following, just reduce the time of your videos at the start. And I'd say try and aim for at least 5 minutes, but don't do anything too long. I've done videos which are 15 minutes long, 20 minutes long, hardly any views, but then I've noticed when I've had the videos for about 5 minutes, the views are a lot higher. And this makes sense because, I'm new to the scene, People don't really trust me. People are unsure about my content, if I'm going to deliver the value or the goods. So, I'm doing better with the shorter videos. So what I'm just saying is, start small perhaps in the beginning, and as you build more trust and authority online, then make these videos longer. But still, don't be afraid to mix it up and post longer videos, because you never know, any of your videos will blow up, and then you'll get a compound effect on the rest of your account and videos. If you are stuck for short form video ideas, then I recommend you just having a look on the feed, on the explore page on YouTube, and check out other popular creators in the same industry or niche issue, and look at the most popular videos, and then recreate your own versions on those topics, because you already know there is an audience. Also go on TikTok and look at the most popular videos, and you can look at this by the search filter section on the app, or in the last 5 to 7 days. And if you look at smaller accounts and look at the videos which are blowing up for them, then there's going to be a very, very good chance for you as well to succeed with those topics, because these videos are proving that this is the type of subject and content that people want, and it's performing well. So if you do the same and put your own spin on it and say it in a different way, then in theory that should do well, and it stops you guessing and throwing poop at the wall and seeing if it works. If your shorts haven't done very well, then there can be various factors for this reason. It might have been the audio, you might have had the audio too loud, for example. It might have been the headline, the hook, it might have been too long, it might have been too short, and so on, or even the captions. And what I recommend is, if your video flops, then don't panic, just try it again a few days later or a week later, and then just change some sort of element in it. That could be the hook, it could be the title, it could be the music, it could be the length, it could be the jump cuts, it could be how many scenes you're talking, angles, and so on. But don't be afraid to, repost old content that flops, because, sometimes the second time or the third time, it will do a lot better. Don't be afraid to mix with the times and duration, have audio music on, audio music off, raw authentic content, exciting content, and so on. You should really use your short form content as a tease, as a hint and a clue for what your main content is all about. And not only create videos which are popular on trending subjects and content that resonates with people and creates your action, but also do little teasers of your post to get people curious to check the rest of your content out on your main feed with your larger videos. Create shorter videos, get to the point, make them short, concise, exciting, and get people thinking, oh, I've got to check the full video out. And you can always do an outro at the end of these videos saying new video up on my YouTube. And this is how combining your shorts with your longer videos on YouTube can work really well as a good growth and content strategy. And as you can see, there's loads of different ways how you can upload and deliver your shorts to make impact, to help your channel out. Now, regarding making long form content, then this is a totally different story, and you can use apps and add-ons and tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to help you look and search for content that are in high volume in terms of people searching for, but not much competition on YouTube, which is going to help you excel. But I will talk about that another time. So make sure you like this video if you found it valuable or helpful. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one.